Hey everyone, welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. Today, we're diving into the world of sales analysis and learning how to maximize our insights using Excel. Let's say you have a dataset containing transaction details such as transaction ID, region, product category, and sales amount. You want to find out the maximum sales amount for a specific region and product category to optimize your sales strategy. Thankfully, Excel offers a powerful function called MAXIFS that allows us to do just that. Let's take a look at the formula. Write the formula. Type equal to. Type MAXIFS bracket start. Select sales amount range. Type comma. Select region range. Type comma. Inverted comma start. Type north. Inverted comma close. Type comma. Select product category range. Type comma. Inverted comma start. Type electronics. Inverted comma close. Bracket close. After type the formula. Press enter key for result. In this formula, D2 D21 represents the sales amount column, B2 B50 represents the region column, and C2 C21 represents the product category column. By specifying north as the region and electronics as the product category, Excel will find the maximum sales amount for transactions that match these criteria. And there you have it. With just a simple formula, you can quickly identify the highest sales amount for a specific region and product category, allowing you to make data-driven decisions to boost your sales performance.